Welcome to today's summer flow. Summertime is all about heat, joy and relaxation, so this class will offer you exactly that. If you're ready to flow, get on your mat and let's begin. Come to the front of your mat into Tadasana, your standing position. Keep your feet together or hip distance apart for stability. Your knees are facing forward and your arms are by your sides, palms forward. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes, and let's take a couple of deep inhalations and exhalations to begin our practice today. Gently blink your eyes open. And for a standing cat-cow, bend into your knees, palms resting on your legs. And as you inhale, bring your chest forward and your gaze up. And exhale, round the spine, gazing down. Again, inhale, arch. And exhale, round. One more time. Inhale, arch. And exhale, round. Then extend your legs as you come up, rolling your shoulders back for our Tadasana. Inhale, reach both arms up, and then interlace your hands over your head, turning the palms up and stretch to the right side. Then over to the left side. And back to center, releasing your arms down. Beautiful. Let's begin with our first round of Sun Salutation A. Starting in Tadasana, inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, fold forward, knees bent for now. Inhale to straight back. And exhale, step back to plank. Feel free to modify Chaturanga as shown or follow me. Inhale, shift forward. And exhale, lower down. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward into your half forward fold. And exhale, fold down. Then inhale, roll up, reaching your arms up to the sky. And exhale, hands to your heart. Let's do one more round, going a bit faster now. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale to straight back. And exhale, step back into plank. Again, you can modify or join me. Shift forward and Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Then inhale, step forward into half forward fold. And exhale, fold down. Inhale, roll up, reaching arms up to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands down to your heart. You're probably already feeling some heat building up, so take this moment to take a couple of deep breaths. Next up, we're flowing through one round of Sun Salutation B. Begin with your feet hip distance apart. Then inhale, sit back into chair pose while reaching arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, and then step back to plank or hop straight into Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Then step your right foot forward and rise up into Warrior One, reaching the arms up as you inhale and exhale, hands to the mat, stepping back into plank for our Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your left foot forward and rise up into Warrior One again, reaching the arms up. And exhale, plank. Lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a few steps or a little hop into your half forward fold and then exhale, fold down. Inhale into chair, reaching the arms up. And exhale, Tadasana, hands to your heart. Beautiful. Take a moment to relax here. Let's keep going. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up and exhale, forward fold. Bend your right knee and ground your right hand as you straighten the left leg and reach the left arm up, gazing down or to the left hand. Bend both knees now and step your right leg back into your revolved lunge. Now rise up into your revolved crescent, left arm extended back, right arm forward. Inhale, reach both arms up, turning into crescent lunge, and exhale, Warrior Two. Inhale, Peaceful Warrior, and exhale, side angle, elbow to knee. Inhale into Peaceful Warrior, and exhale, side angle, this time maybe grounding your hand or coming into a bind if that's within your practice today. Unwind and stretch back into Peaceful Warrior. Then Warrior Two. And for a half moon, place your left hand to the mat in front of your left toes. And try to lift the right leg up, toes facing to the right side and flexed. Hold it. And release, grounding both hands. And for a wild thing, pull the left knee in and step the left foot over your right leg, lifting your hips up. Beautiful. To release, ground both hands and pull the left knee into your chest again, and then release the knee to the mat underneath your hips, aligned with your left hand. Your right leg's extended, foot grounded, and the right arm reaches up for our Stargazer, enjoying the beautiful stretch in this energizing pose. Gently ground both hands again. Pull the left knee in one more time and extend it for a single leg Chaturanga. Inhale, shift forward and exhale, lower down. Inhale, up dog and exhale, downward facing dog, pedaling out your legs here if you'd like. Take a few steps forward into half forward fold and then fold down. Inhale, roll up, reaching your arms up to the sky. And exhale, hands to your heart. Beautiful. Take a moment to bring your awareness back to your breath here before we move on to the other side. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up and exhale, forward fold. Bending the left knee and grounding the left hand while extending the right leg and reaching the right arm up to the sky. Bend both knees now and step your left leg back into your revolved lunge. Rise up into revolved crescent. Then inhale, reach the arms up, turning the body forward for crescent, and exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, lean back into peaceful warrior, and exhale, side angle, form to knee. Again, inhale, peaceful warrior, and exhale, side angle. This time grounding your hand or coming into a bind. Wonderful. Unwind, coming back into your peaceful warrior, and warrior 2. Then ground your right hand in front of your right foot and lift the left leg up for a half moon pose, staying in this balance for just a moment. Then lower the left foot to the mat, grounding both hands, and step into your wild thing, your right leg behind your left leg, coming into this beautiful back bend. Then ground both hands, pull the right knee into your chest, and release it to the mat beneath your hips, aligning your right hand and right knee for a Stargazer pose. Reach your left arm up and gaze upwards, savoring this beautiful moment. Ground your left hand, pull your right knee in, and extend it for single leg plank. Let's float out. Shift forward and chaturanga. Up dog and downward facing dog. Beautiful. Pedal out your legs here if you like. And then take a few steps or light up forward to come onto your back. Hugging both knees in for Apanasana. Maybe taking a gentle rock from side to side if that feels good on your back today. For our spinal twist, extend your left leg along the mat. Place your left hand onto your right knee and draw the knee across your body to roll onto your left hip. Your right arm is extended with the palm facing down. Your gaze comes to the right hand, shoulders are grounded. Summer is also about resting, so let's enjoy these slower poses after our challenging flow. Unwind, hug your knees in. And let's move to the other side. Extend your right leg, and with your right hand, draw your left knee across your body, rolling onto your right hip, extending the left arm and gazing towards the left hand. Maybe closing your eyes here. Release and hug your knees in one last time, making a little ball. And extend your legs along the mat, your arms reaching over your head, stretching all the way from your fingers to your toes, lengthening the body. And then bring your hands next to your sides for our Savasana. Your feet are a bit wider than hip distance apart and relaxing open. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath, relaxing every muscle in your body and taking this rest. Like summer, Savasana feels like a well-deserved break. You've worked hard to get here, and now it's your chance to rest and to savor this moment of stillness. Feel free to stay here as long as you like. If you want to finish your practice with me, start to bring some movement into your fingers and your toes. Bending your knees and rolling onto your side to come back to a seated position. Let's finish our class with taking one big inhalation while reaching your arms up. And exhale, bring your hands down to your heart, bowing down and thanking yourself for your beautiful practice today. Thank you so much for joining me for our summer flow, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye!